Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for deep dives into practical products that merge form and function. Today, we're reviewing what I consider the best scientific goggles available for labs, workshops, or any environment where eye protection is a must. Let's get into the UKNOW safety goggles over glasses. Right out of the box, these goggles impress with their design. They're available in multiple colors, but today we're focusing on the pink version with a slightly tinted lens. The tint adds personality while still maintaining clear visibility. The first standout feature is the over-glasses compatibility. These goggles are built with a wraparound polycarbonate lens that fits comfortably over most prescription glasses up to 5.71 inches wide and 1.85 inches high. No awkward stacking of frames or compromising clarity. Whether you're a chemistry student or a field technician, these goggles accommodate prescription eyewear with ease. Now let's talk fog. Fogged lenses are a constant frustration, but UKNOW tackles this with a high-performance anti-fog coating. It disperses moisture droplets into an invisible sheet, eliminating fog and keeping your view clear. Hot to cold environments, humid labs, these goggles maintain visibility when you need it most. Comfort is another area where these goggles excel. The frame features adjustable temples, both in length and angle. You can tilt them up to 30 degrees to match your face shape. This custom fit keeps the goggles secure without creating pressure points. A soft rubber brow pad adds comfort and shields your eyes from sweat and debris. Durability is top tier. The polycarbonate lens is impact resistant, and the goggles are ANSI Z87.1 certified. They meet high industry standards for protection, giving you confidence whether you're working with chemicals, power tools, or construction materials. On the style front, UKNOW steps away from the bulky, unattractive look of traditional goggles. These feel more like a blend of fashion eyewear and industrial safety gear. When it comes to care, maintenance is simple. Use a soft cloth and mild soap to clean, then air dry. They're lightweight too, so long sessions in the lab or workshop won't leave you with fatigue. So, who are these goggles for? Anyone needing dependable, comfortable, stylish eye protection. Science students, lab techs, engineers, healthcare workers, DIY hobbyists. If your eyes need shielding, this is a reliable pick. To wrap it up, the UKNOW safety goggles over glasses combine smart engineering with everyday practicality. They're protective, fog-resistant, stylish, and compatible with prescription eyewear. That makes them one of the best investments you can make in personal protective equipment today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This is Product Critique, helping you shop smarter, one product at a time.